What happens when an old school bus, once used to carry students every morning, is completely transformed into a luxury home on wheels? At first glance, it looks like an ordinary retired bus. Big windows, long body, yellow paint, and that classic school bus shape. But once you step inside, everything changes. This is not just a camper. This is not just a van. This is a full luxury RV built from something most people would have ignored, sold for scrap, or left behind. The idea sounds simple. Take an old school bus and turn it into a motorhome. But in reality, this kind of conversion takes planning, money, patience, design skills, and a lot of hard work. Every seat has to be removed. The floor has to be repaired. The walls need insulation. Electrical systems, plumbing, kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, heating, cooling, storage, and solar power all need to be carefully added. What starts as a rough metal shell becomes a dream home on wheels. The first stage of the build is the hardest. The bus is completely stripped down. All the old passenger seats are taken out. The original flooring is removed. Rust is checked. Any damaged metal is repaired. This is the part most people never see in a finished luxury RV tour. Before the warm lighting, wooden cabinets, soft sofa, and beautiful kitchen, there is dust, tools, grinding, cutting, welding, and long working hours. Insulation is one of the most important parts of a school bus conversion. A bus is basically a metal tube, and metal gets very hot in summer and very cold in winter. Without proper insulation, the inside would become uncomfortable very quickly. So the builders add insulation in the walls, ceiling, and floor. This helps control temperature, reduces road noise, and makes the bus feel more like a real home instead of a vehicle. Now look at the transformation. The moment you step inside, it no longer feels like a school bus. The old yellow interior is gone. In its place is a warm, modern, luxury-style living space. Wooden floors run through the entire bus. Soft LED lights glow from the ceiling. Clean cabinets line the walls. The design feels more like a boutique apartment than a converted vehicle. This is where the build becomes impressive. The lounge area is designed to feel open and comfortable. Because school buses have large windows, the inside gets plenty of natural light. Instead of closing everything off, the design uses those windows to create a bright living space. A sofa sits along one side, with storage hidden underneath. A small table can be used for eating, working, or relaxing with coffee. This is the kind of space that makes people forget they are sitting inside an old bus. In any motorhome, storage is everything. A luxury RV is not only about looking beautiful, it also needs to be practical. That is why almost every seat, cabinet, and wall section is used wisely. Under the sofa, there are drawers for blankets, tools, shoes, and travel equipment. Above the windows, slim cabinets can hold small items. Every empty corner has a purpose. Good storage is what makes small space living possible. Next comes the kitchen, and this is where the school bus starts to feel like a real home. The kitchen includes a full countertop, sink, faucet, stove or induction cooktop, cabinets, and sometimes even a small oven. The design is compact, but it does not feel cheap. A wooden countertop gives it a warm look, while black fixtures and modern lighting give it a premium finish. For road life, this kitchen is more than enough. Small details make a big difference. A proper sink means you can wash dishes anywhere. A cooktop means you can prepare meals without needing restaurants every day. A small fridge keeps food fresh. A coffee machine or kettle adds comfort. In a normal van, these things may feel cramped, but inside a school bus, there is enough length to create a proper kitchen zone without making the space feel too tight. One of the biggest surprises in this type of conversion is the bathroom. Many camper vans struggle with bathroom space, but a school bus has more room to work with. This build includes a private bathroom with a shower, toilet, and small sink. Waterproof walls protect the structure, and a roof vent helps remove moisture. Having a real bathroom changes everything. It gives freedom to travel longer, camp off-grid, and avoid depending on public facilities. The shower is not massive, but it is functional and comfortable. Some builds use a wet bath, where the toilet and shower share the same space. Others separate the shower from the toilet for a more premium feel. In a luxury school bus conversion, the bathroom is usually designed with better materials, clean lighting, and smart ventilation. It is not just about having a shower, it is about making the shower feel usable every day. At the rear of the bus, you usually find the bedroom. This is one of the best parts of a school bus conversion because the width and length allow for a real bed. Many builds include a queen-size mattress, side shelves, reading lights, and overhead storage. After a long day of driving, hiking, or exploring, this space becomes a private retreat. It feels quiet, cozy, and separate from the rest of the living area. Imagine waking up here with a mountain view outside the window, or parking near a lake and opening your eyes to water, trees, and morning sunlight. This is why people love bus conversions. It is not only about saving money or building something different. It is about carrying your home to places where normal houses cannot go. Every morning can have a different view, and every night can feel like a new adventure. Behind the beautiful interior, there is a serious technical system working quietly. A luxury off-grid bus usually has lithium batteries, an inverter, solar charge controller, fuse panels, and organized wiring. This system powers lights, fridge, fans, water pump, laptops, cameras, and sometimes even air conditioning. Without a good electrical setup, the bus would just look nice. With the right system, it becomes a real off-grid home. Solar panels are usually installed on the roof. A school bus roof gives a lot of space, which is a major advantage over smaller vans. More roof space means more solar power. That power charges the batteries during the day, allowing the owners to stay away from campgrounds for longer periods. This is what makes the bus independent. You can park in the desert, forest, mountains, or countryside and still have electricity. The water system is another important part of the build. A fresh water tank stores clean water for the sink and shower. A gray water tank collects used water. Some builds also include water filters, pumps, and external fill points. When everything is planned properly, the owners can cook, clean, shower, and live comfortably for several days without needing hookups. This is where the bus becomes more than a weekend camper. Outside, the bus becomes a complete campsite. Add an awning, camping chairs, outdoor lights, and a small fire pit, and suddenly the whole area around the bus becomes part of the living space. This is one of the reasons school bus conversions are so popular. They combine the feeling of a tiny home with the freedom of an RV. You are not stuck in one place. Your backyard can change whenever you want. But a school bus conversion also has some challenges. It is bigger than a van, so parking can be harder. Fuel consumption is higher. Some cities and campgrounds may have restrictions. Insurance and registration can also take effort, depending on the location. And because every build is custom, maintenance requires knowledge. This lifestyle looks beautiful, but it is not effortless. You need patience, planning, and the ability to solve problems. Still, when you look at the final result, it is easy to understand why people fall in love with these builds. The old bus has been given a second life. It is no longer just transportation. It is a living room, kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, power station, and travel machine all in one. Compared with a factory-built motorhome, a converted school bus has more personality. Every cabinet, every light, and every design choice tells a story. So, is turning an old school bus into a luxury RV a good idea? For the right person, yes. It offers space, character, freedom, and the chance to build something completely unique. It may not be the easiest road, and it may not be for everyone, but the result can be incredible. From a simple yellow school bus to a luxury off-grid home on wheels, this transformation proves that sometimes the best motorhome is not bought from a showroom. Sometimes it is built from imagination, hard work, and an old bus that still had one more journey left.